Smart gun cleaning, Les Waller here. How you doing? Today I want to show you how to disassemble and assemble the Beretta 686 Silver Pigeon over under 12 gauge shotgun. The first thing you always do when handling a weapon, check to make sure it's not loaded. Safety first. Now I don't want to have fingerprints and stuff like that all over the barrel, so that's why I'm wearing gloves to keep it clean and also keep chemicals off my hands as the next step in the process after the video is to clean the shotgun. So the first step in this case, now we've confirmed that it is empty and not loaded. So the first thing that we want to do is come down here and we pull this lever, and then this handle will come off like that. So the next thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and carefully and slowly let it go forward, and you will see that it comes right off. Now, how does that work? So what we got here is we've got two nuts here, one on each side. That's what gives us the leverage, and those equate to these two spaces here on the shotgun. So putting it back together, it's just the opposite. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and we take our time. We see where the nuts are. We see where the holes are here. We line that up. It's cocked. And then once it's cocked in place, we go ahead and take our guard. We've got a groove here and a groove here we have to align. So we put it right here. There we've disassembled and assembled the Beretta 686 over and under Silver Pigeon.